Hello and welcome to WyTime 2.0 Advanced Scheduler Training for Managers. In this session, I'm going to talk about running a schedule generator. What the schedule generator does is basically refresh all of the settings to ensure that you are not trying to schedule for more or less people than you actually need. During this training, I'm going to refer to the WyTime Supervisor Scheduler Manual. And we are going to begin on page 32. On page 32, it discusses logging in. And as soon as the home page loads up, it says to go to the workspace carousel. We will spin the carousel and we will go to advanced scheduling. Those steps are discussed on page 33. And then it talks about selecting the proper location. So for this test example, I'm going to select my location. I am going to use my agency pool, and we will select the entire agency pool. Bring it over here to the right in the selected column and select OK. What this does is, once again, it narrows down the number of employees that you're currently viewing. On page 35, it now discusses the engine. And what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that I'm looking at these numbers here. We're going to select the engine and we're going to run schedule generator. You can put in the period of time that you'd like to run the schedule generator for. If you're doing it for the next month, ensure that you change those dates to the next month. And then you go ahead and select start. The schedule generator will run. It will say that it's successfully completed, and you select close. You'll notice that the numbers have now adjusted to what the census is properly telling it to do. On the bottom of page 36, it also discusses how to review in a color-coded manner if you are short or long in employees. So since we are working with agency RNs, I'm going to select the job, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select the agency RN. Now you would select your location and then what type of employee you want to look at to ensure you know what is what's appropriate for that you're looking at. Okay, once you've done this, you can ensure that while looking at this, you can see that you're short, and your short is red. When you're long, it's yellow. When you have more employees than you need, and when you're exactly perfect, it will be green. From here, you can use the open shift indicator over here on the left, or you can select just this pink bar and it will expand to show you the list of open shifts that are available for your employees. And then once again, you can use the quick action menu discussed on page 38. Use any of these tools up here to either bring shifts down and assign them, or assign additional shifts. And then once again, once you've done all of that, you'll want to run the schedule generator again to ensure that everything is up to date and accurate. And that is all there is to running the schedule generator. I recommend that you run the schedule generator before you start doing any work. And once you save it, run it again just to ensure that everything is up to date with your schedule. I hope this has helped. If it has not, or you still have questions, please feel free to contact your HR department or your system administrator at your facility for scheduling. So once all of this is completed, you can select sign out. And as always, I hope you guys are having a great day here at the Department of Health, and I hope you have a rest of a fantastic day.